Today we are making watermelon sugar smoothie. Into the blender we are going to add 2 cups frozen watermelon cubes, 1 cup chilled in the refrigerator canned coconut milk, 2 tablespoons hemp hearts, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and we are going to squeeze half of the lime. While it's blending, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of beetroot powder. Beetroot powder will not interfere with the taste of the smoothie, but it will add great health benefits such as lower blood pressure, improving blood flow, and beets are high in vitamin C, so it's really good for our skin. Just transfer your smoothie into your favorite bowls and serve. Watermelon smoothie is melting really quick, so you better eat it really quick, or you can refrigerate it for about 20 to 30 minutes. Enjoy it as an ice cream, or you can drink it with a straw. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy.